David Music, your official voice coach. Okay, so today I'm about to share an exciting tip to you, a tool that helps each singer out there to sing correctly and effortlessly. Now, this particular tool solves a great deal of problems such as issue with high tension in the throat, also with trying to sing high octave, also with trying to connect from your chest to your mixed voice, to your head voice, that's your mixed voice. So this too is one great tool you find in music that helps to solve all these things. So what is it? It's the NG sound. Found in words like sing, song, long, so many words. So how do you do it? For example, if I make the sound like sing, so you could hear that sing. So I went to my head, sing. So that's the function of the NG. Now, how do we do it? How do we now incorporate it into song or into sound that will help to make the voice grow? That's it. It's done like this. Like you're doing Remember, sing. Your tongue gets to touch the top of your soft palate. Okay. Now your soft palate is found after your hard palate. Like you're taking your tongue back. Like you want to lick up to that point is where your soft palate is. So we just place our tongue there, and then we make the sound. Now, if you're doing the sound correctly, this is how you check. By the time you plug your nose, you pinch your nose, you hold your nose, the sound will stop immediately. That's to show you that it has been placed rightly at this point of your face, which is your mask. Okay, so what we do, like if I do the sound, it completely stops. Okay, so let me take you through an exercise on that. Ladies, you can start here. Guys, you can start here. So we're going with the scale. So you can choose to go higher and higher and higher. So this will help you to have a very great voice. Remember, it's one of the tools in training the voice. Also remember, your voice is your tool. So treasure it.